Hey guys, Sarah Ketterer here with Ketterer Homes, and I'm excited to share our latest listing with you, a beautiful condo here at the Park Place School Condos in downtown Chattanooga. And no one better to share this condo with you than the owner, Mark Gravetti. So come on.
This is the opening entrance to obviously the old place, Park Place School, but now Park Place School condominiums.
Cool.
As you look on the side here, those were classrooms. All through on 3 floors. All the floor, the entire building, in each and every unit, in each and every floor is travertine flooring.
Did they put the floor in 2006?
Yes.
Okay, so this was... What can you tell us about Park Place?
Well, it was an old school in 1920, so it's over 100 years old. And it's very unique because of where it's located downtown. It has very unique situations on the extended it was here, as far as what it's gone through the many hundred years. And the people that live down here has changed throughout the years, and MLK Boulevard has really expanded its growth. Where MLK Boulevard here, Park Place Condo, has stayed the same regarding the maintenance, the history of it, the quietness of it, yet it's close to downtown.
After it was the school, then what? What happened with
It was actually, nothing was going on here for over 16 years until one of the lead architects here, downtown Chattanooga, it's Thomas Johnson, took it over and redid the whole place in 2005, 2006.
Did Coca-Cola do something?
Yes, they had storage here,
Okay.
and that's who put the original elevator in
Okay.
for the storage of their units for Coca-Cola.
Okay.
And so they developed this into 15 units of condos.
What are some unique features, some of the things that you love about the building?
What I love about the building is when I first walked in the doors, it was very unique, it's very different, there's nothing else really like it.
Right.
And that's what makes it so quiet and different, and I like the old nature, and I also like the quality of what they built stuff at back that time in 1920.
So did they just convert, like you walk in, it's a hallway, like a school,
Yes,
and then they just converted the classrooms into condos?
exactly.
Okay.
And they're all different sizes from 860 square feet to 5,000 square feet.
And how many units are in here?
There's a total of 15 units on 3 floors.
When you bought this one, you have done just an extensive amount of work with
Yes.
this, right? So
Yes.
tell us about some of those things.
Well, originally when I walked in, it was all open. The front door, there was no foyer. So I put up a wall with custom glass in there. There was just a closet. I made that into a pantry. The stairs that were in the other bedroom, I made that into a complete bedroom with walls and cabinets and things for books. So it could be a library, it could be a study room, it could be a bedroom. And what's unique about it, what I like, is the bedroom, the master bedroom is all on one side of the building from the master great room, which is right here. And I like that being separated so the quietness stays in the bedroom. And you can come out here and the kitchen and the great room is located in one location.
And this particular unit is the only unit that has a true private entrance.
Yes, it's roughly only 25 feet from the parking.
Right.
So there's no elevators with this system, so it's a very close walk in from when you exit your car and enter this building.
Right.
And it is the only, and it's the far side of the building, so you don't see any of the entrance cars coming in and the spotlights of their lights pulling in the main
Okay,
gate.
yeah. And then the whole parking lot is fenced in, gated.
Yes, it is.
Right.
It's all gated.
So good security.
Yes.
You have an opportunity to expand.
You could have approximately 400 square feet. The current place now is 1,600 square feet. You could add in another 400 square feet. And what makes it unique, it's all on the same level.
Right. And nobody else can do that. Nobody else has that opportunity here.
Not really, no.
Okay. How about the floors and the building materials? You were kind of telling me about the exterior and the brick and
Sure.
all of that?
Well, let's start with the foundation, the structure. That's a very important concern to me wherever I look at homes or condos. It's what's in the walls. A lot of times, new places that are built, you can't see what's behind the drywall. Here, it's all brick. It's all terracotta blocks. The walls are over 20 inches thick, where standard homes today are roughly 6 to 8 inches thick. It has metal studs. So what all that means, the longevity, the durability, it lasts. There's lack of maintenance with it. There's no painting on the bricks. And it's been here 100 years. And what it looks like today is basically what it looked like 100 years ago. In many homes today, if you look at if you want to see what they look like today, go look at some of the older houses that are out there, and you'll see the differences. And so that was just one of the key aspects when I look at something. And a lot of the commercial buildings today are made of the hotels, the schools, the hospitals, and the commercial buildings are all made with that type of material.
Is there another storage space?
Yes, there's storage separately from here to the lower level. It's, which is this level, but it's 10 by 10, so it's 100 square feet. And you have about 12 feet tall above that to store material.
Okay, and that's your private storage?
Yes, it is.
Okay, cool. Okay, so what are the benefits of the location of this Park Place condo?
Well, you know what I liked about it was, and there's nothing wrong with the other, but I like being away where it's kind of quiet. You have a lot of property here, a public park that's located in the back.
Okay.
And so you have the quietness, and like you're living in the country, but you're not. You're only 7 blocks from downtown Chattanooga. So you can go and do the busy things and more crowded things if you want, and you can come back to peaceful quietness. And that's very rare.
So as you can see, this is a wonderful and unique opportunity to own a piece of Chattanooga's history. So if you'd like more information on the listing, just reach out.